What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I am doing this review so I can save you the headache on when you switch your blades on the ToughBuild utility knife slash scraper. Let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so when you change your blade or when you run out of the stock blades that comes with the ToughBuild, you can't use any old blade. Yeah, I was getting frustrated. Okay, so right here I have a heart blade. So this is the blade that you see in most utility knives. Now, let me go ahead and try to put this blade in here. All right, I let go, and obviously you see it's not latching on. It's because of the prongs right here. This is for the regular utility knives. All right, now we going into number 2. Now, this one has the opening in the middle, like the one that comes with the utility knife slash scraper. But guess what? It's a different hole. Just because it has a hole in the middle don't mean it works. And I'm gonna show you. Put this one in. Like so. All right, there we go. All right, let go, and guess what? It comes in and out. So you cannot, even when I leave it on open, push it down as far as possible. It don't. Have my hand on the button. You cannot do nothing. Even when you go in scraper mode, it's not on. Okay? Now, the blade you need is the blade that comes with it. I will try to post up where you can find the extra blades for this. You need this little shape right there. Look like a shape of a boat or something. Whatever that shape look like to you, that's the shape that you need. All right. So with your extra set that come in, if you don't know how to get the blade out, I'm gonna show you. You have to push from inside like this. You gotta push down and then push out. All right, push down, and push out. And that's how you get the blade out of there. All right, now we're gonna put the blade in, just like how I put the other blades in. Right, slide in, let go of this yellow tab here, and watch your hands when you do this. It don't come out. So you need to get the right blade. Just in case you get mad and you think that it's all said and done with those 5 blades that come with it. The reason why I got other blades is because I lost this one. I lost this. I went and got regular blades. I was like, man, let me get regular blades and see if regular blade fit. It don't work. So I found this. It was in my tool book bag that I did a review on. And yeah, I'm happy I found it. But I will need extra because I'm running out. So there we go. We back at it. Best tool of the year. All right, you guys, make sure you get the right blade. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put it in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to see more product reviews. And I do have more coming. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all in the next one.